Well, as I mentioned, we create our own software and our own hardware, but I really never got into explaining why it was important to have our own software programmers and to actually have our own manufacturing facility. As I had spoke about earlier, it was a terrible position to be in where your client really depends on you to deliver something and you don't have the means within your own organization to do it. So one of the things we were concerned about when we were develop our own software was if we didn't have our own people in-house to do it, if we needed a feature or we needed to change something or we needed to fix something, we didn't have to rely on an outside contractor, software contractor to do it, but we had our own internal people to actually provide those changes and software and maintain those things to make our clients happy and to be able to add extra features and capabilities that they may need to satisfy their needs and desires on their projects. As well, with respect to hardware, when you build hardware and circuit boards, obviously you can send off to China or send off to Mexico and have manufacturing houses in other places build these products really inexpensive compared to what it might cost to build in America. But one of the things that we were concerned about more than anything else is that whenever you design something hardware-wise or even software, it's never perfect. There's always something you can improve on and you can make better. But when you outsource your manufacturing, you have to buy huge quantities to make it economically feasible. So for instance, say we come out with a new controller and we go to Mexico and we say we'll take 10,000 units. And they'll sell us the 10,000 units. We'll get them in, we'll put them on our shelves, and we start selling them to you. And then we realize, we can make these 10,000 units a little bit better and add more value to the client if we just change this one chip to make it stronger or to make it more reliable, to make it function better by just changing one little thing. Well, that's fine, but we have 10,000 units that we have to change the one little thing first on. Before we can improve that, we have to sell those 10,000 units. And then when we make the next order, we'll change that one little thing or two little things or whatever we find. But in the meantime, I have to keep selling you over and over and over something that I know could be and should be better. I couldn't live like that. We just couldn't handle that thought. So we said, I would rather have my own manufacturing line, which is a bigger expense, but then I can build it. And when I build it for you, when you need it, I can ship it to you. But if I can make it better, and if I can add that one little thing, the next time I make it, I just add it in. And it comes out an improved product. So what we're able to do is to mature our products by that never-ending cycle about delivering it, finding we can improve it, finding out we can make it better, changing what that design is, making it more reliable, and then the next time we build it, it's just that much better. The next time you buy it, it's just that much better. And we can continue that cycle. To us, that way, by making our own manufacturing facility, we had the power to control the quality and reliability of the products we delivered without depending on anybody else and any outside source. So we can deliver to our clients. That was something that really fit with the philosophy of our company with respect to hardware and with respect to software. The buck stops here. We have the control to make our products better and as best as they possibly can be. So that's why we have our own manufacturing facility, why we invested in the surface mount line, how we continue to invest in that line to continue to deliver top quality, reliable products to our client with no ifs, ands, or buts about or selling you something inferior or selling our clients something inferior until we run through the total inventory. No, we can make it better tomorrow, and we do.